Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome back to English Shadowing Stories, the place where English feels easy, friendly, and actually fun. I'm Emily, your coffee-loving host, and I'm super excited for today.
Hi everyone, Paul here. And yes, Emily already has her giant coffee mug. Look at that smile. I think the coffee won the morning again.
Guilty. But seriously, this coffee is my secret weapon. How about you, Paul? You look unusually fresh today. Did you finally sleep more than 5 hours?
Yes, I slept like a baby. 9 whole hours. No alarm, no phone, just pure peace. And this morning I drank my favorite matcha latte. I feel unstoppable.
Wow, matcha power. I love it. The sun is shining, birds are singing, and we have the perfect day to learn something really useful.
Exactly. Emily, tell them, what are we talking about today? You said it's something we use almost every week.
Okay, everyone, imagine this. You go to a new language course, a party, a job interview, or you just meet someone interesting in a cafe. What's the very first thing that happens?
We say hi?
Yes, but more than that. The moment you open your mouth, that very first 15 to 20 seconds decides whether the conversation continues or dies right there.
Oof, that's scary when you think about it.
It can feel scary, but here's the good news. Once you know a simple, natural structure, that nervous feeling almost disappears. Today, we're going to give you that structure.
The topic is how to introduce yourself in English like a real person, not like a robot reading from a textbook.
Exactly. We'll cover what to say first and how to look confident even if your heart is racing, different natural ways to say your name, how to talk about where you're from without sounding boring, the magic sentence that turns a monologue into a real conversation, and little tricks that make people remember you.
And we'll do a fun role play too, so you can hear it in action.
Before we jump in, small, quick favor from both of us. If our conversations help you feel more confident, even a little, please hit that like button right now. It really helps the channel grow.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it today. We're planning lots more practical, real-life English lessons just like this one. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss them.
Thank you so much in advance. Okay, Paul, shoulders back, big smile. Are you ready?
Shoulders back, smile on, matcha in my system. I'm ready.
Perfect. Let's start with the most important part, the first 3 seconds. Okay, everyone, here we go. The first 3 seconds are everything. Paul, show us what most beginners do wrong.
Hello, my name is Paul. I am from Kazakhstan. I am a student. Thank you.
See, it's correct, but it feels like reading a form. No warmth, no connection. People hear that and think, okay, next.
Ouch. So what's the fix?
Start with energy. Smile, even on the phone, it changes your voice. Stand or sit straight. Make eye contact if possible. Then say a warm hello with the time of day if it fits.
Like, good afternoon. Hi.
Exactly. Now the name part. There are 3 natural levels. Super casual with friends. Hi, I'm Ashkat. Friendly and common. Hello, my name's Ashkat. Nice to meet you. Professional or formal. Good morning. My name is Ashkat's surname, but please call me Ashkat.
And nicknames? In Kazakhstan, lots of people have short versions.
Great point. You can add, my full name is Nur Sultan, but everyone calls me Nurik. Feel free to do the same. It instantly makes things relaxed. Next, where you're from. Don't just say one word. Add a little color. Bad, I'm from Sarıagaş. Good, I'm from Saryagash, a sunny town in southern Kazakhstan. How about you? Even better, I grew up in Turkestan region, but right now I'm living in your city for work or studies.
It's like telling a tiny story. People get curious and ask more.
Yes, now the job or studies part, don't make it boring. Instead of, I work in an office, try, I'm a graphic designer. I spend my days making things look pretty on screens. Or, I'm studying IT at university and I'm obsessed with building apps in my free time.
And if someone doesn't work right now?
Totally fine. Say, I'm between jobs at the moment, focusing on improving my English and trying new recipes. Or, I take care of my family full time and I love it. Add a hobby or passion. This is the secret sauce that makes you memorable. Examples. I'm Ashkat. I'm from Kazakhstan and I'm crazy about football. I play every weekend. Or, hi, I'm Igirim. I teach kids online and in my free time, I dance K-pop.
People remember the girl who loves K-pop way more than office worker number 5.
But the most important rule, the one that turns introduction into conversation, throw the ball back. After you finish your part, say, how about you? Or, and you? Where are you from? Or, what about yourself? Or fun version, okay, your turn. Tell me something cool about you.
Like tennis, you serve, they return.
Perfect analogy. Now let's practice. Imagine we're at a language meetup in Shymkent. I'll start. Hi, is this seat taken?
No, go ahead, thanks.
Awesome. By the way, I'm Emily. I'm visiting from Almaty this weekend. How about you?
Nice to meet you, Emily. I'm Paul and I live here in Shymkent. I work as an English tutor, trying to make lessons fun like this podcast.
Oh, cool. Tutor life sounds exciting. What do you love doing when you're not teaching?
I love hiking in the mountains and drinking green tea on rainy days. You?
Hiking too. And I'm addicted to trying new coffee shops. This one is great, right?
Totally. Nice meeting you.
You too. See? It flowed naturally. No script felt forced.
And notice, we used by the way, how about you, added hobbies, all small things that make a big difference. One more tip for nervous moments. If you forget a word or don't understand, just say honestly, sorry, can you say that again slower? Or what does that word mean? Most people are happy to help.
Exactly. Being brave, greater than being perfect. Wow, Paul, that role play felt so real. Did you feel the difference when we added hobbies and how about you?
Totally. When I just said, I'm Paul, I'm a teacher, it was flat. But when I added, I love hiking and green tea on rainy days, suddenly it became a conversation. I could see you light up.
Exactly. That's the magic. A good introduction isn't about listing facts. It's about giving the other person something interesting to grab onto.
So let's do a quick recap for everyone, the perfect structure we built today.
Great idea. Here are the main points, step by step. Start strong. Smile, good posture, warm hello. Use good morning, afternoon, evening if it fits. Avoid flat robot voice. Do energy plus eye contact, even on video call. Your name. Choose the level. Casual, hi, I'm Ashkat. Friendly, hello, my name's Igerim. Nice to meet you. Formal, good morning, I'm Nurjan's surname, but please call me Nurjan. Nickname bonus, everyone calls me Nurik. Feel free. Where you're from. Add color. I'm from Saryagash, a warm town near Shymkent. Or, I grew up in Turkestan region, but now I live in Almaty for university. What you do plus something fun. Job or studies plus hobby or passion. I'm studying tourism and I love trying new street food. I work in sales, but my real passion is playing the dambira on weekends. Throw the ball back, the most important part. How about you? And you? Where are you from? Your turn. Tell me something cool. Bonus tips. At a party or meetup, hi, I'm Ashkat. I came with my friend Dias. Connection. If nervous, sorry, can you say that again? people respect honesty. Time gradings, good evening equals hello at night, good night equals goodbye or sleep.
If you remember just these 5 steps plus one hobby, you'll already sound 10 times more natural than most beginners.
Now, let's make it even more real. Paul, tell them about your first day at the language school last year.
Oh man, I was so nervous. I walked in, sat quietly in the corner for 10 minutes. Finally, the teacher said, "Let's introduce ourselves." When my turn came, I just said, "I am Paul from Kazakhstan," and sat down. Everyone was polite, but no one talked to me after class.
And what changed?
Next week, I tried the new way. I smiled, said, "Hi everyone, I'm Paul from Saryagash. I teach kids during the day, and I'm crazy about football. Who here likes Kairat?" Suddenly, 3 people started talking to me about football. One guy even invited me to play after class.
See? Same person, same facts, different energy and structure equals completely different result.
Another quick story. My friend Aijan was super shy. She started a new job and didn't introduce herself properly for 2 weeks. People thought she was unfriendly. Then she watched our older episode, practiced in the mirror, and one morning said to her colleague, "Good morning, I'm Aijan. I'm new in marketing and I love baking plav on weekends." Boom, next day, people were asking for her plav recipe. Now she has lunch buddies.
Small, brave step equals big change in life. That's why we do this.
So listeners, you are brave too. Every time you try English, even if it's not perfect, you win.
Before we say goodbye, your homework, super simple and powerful. Today or tomorrow morning, stand in front of a mirror. Introduce yourself using our structure. Smile plus hello plus name plus from plus job or studies plus hobby plus how about you? Imagine someone answers. Do it 3 to 5 times until it feels natural. Bonus challenge. Introduce yourself to one real person this week, even a shop assistant or a neighbor. Write in the comments how it went.
And please share in the comments right now. What's your name? Where are you from? What's one thing you love doing? We read every single one and reply when we can.
Yes, your introductions make our day. If this episode helped you feel more ready, please hit like. It really supports us.
Subscribe if you want more real-life English like this. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. You're doing amazing. Keep going.
See you next time, everyone. Practice that smile.
Emily and Paul together. Bye-bye.